viewers, welcome back to our English podcast, Talk and Learn YouTube channel. I hope you are feeling calm today, or maybe a little busy. Wherever you are listening from, you are very welcome here. Sarah, how are you today?
Hello, everyone. Thanks for being here with us. I'm feeling okay, Ahmed. A bit tired, but in a good way. End of year feelings, many things in the mind. How about you, Ahmed?
I feel the same, actually. A little slow, a little warm inside. And today feels special because we are talking about Christmas, not grammar, real-life English.
Yes, exactly. Today's episode is about how to talk about Christmas Day in simple English. No hard words, no pressure, just natural conversation like real people talk.
And viewers, don't worry about mistakes. If you make a mistake, it means you are trying. This podcast is for beginners and slow learners and shy speakers. All are welcome here.
Also, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. We practice English together by listening and repeating and feeling relaxed. If this helps you, you can subscribe. That helps us too. Okay, Ahmed, should we slowly move into today's topic?
Yes, but slowly. First, Sarah, let me ask you something simple. When someone says Christmas, what comes to your mind first? Not English answer, real feeling.
Thinking. Lights, warm food, and people being a little nicer. Also, quiet evenings for some people, busy mornings for others. What about you, Ahmed?
I think about family time. Even if someone doesn't celebrate deeply, the day feels different. Everything slows down a bit. And that feeling, it's easy to talk about in English.
Yes, but learners often think Christmas English means big words like celebration, festivities, traditions. In daily life, we don't talk like that.
True. In real life, people say very simple things. Like, are you doing anything for Christmas? Or, are you staying home?
Exactly. So viewers, today you will learn small, useful sentences. Things you can actually say today, tomorrow, or next Christmas. No textbook talk.
Let's start with the most common question. People ask, what are your plans for Christmas? Sarah, how would you answer simply?
I would say, I'm spending Christmas with my family. Or, if nothing special, I'm just staying home this Christmas.
Very nice. Notice, viewers, no long explanation. Not, I will be celebrating Christmas with great joy. Just simple, I'm staying home.
Yes. Some learners say, I will do Christmas. That sounds strange. We don't do Christmas. We spend Christmas.
Good correction. Repeat after us, viewers. I'm spending Christmas with my family. Again, slowly.
Now, a shorter version. I'm with family this Christmas. Casual, natural, easy to remember.
Okay, viewers, small pause here. In your head, answer this question. What are you doing on Christmas Day? Just one sentence.
You can whisper it. You can say it quietly. No one is judging you here. Good. Keep going.
Now, let's talk about the day itself, Christmas Day. Sarah, how do people usually start that day?
Most people say, we wake up early, or we wake up late and relax. Some say, we have breakfast together. Very normal sentences.
Yes, and if you want to sound friendly, you can say, Christmas morning is calm, or Christmas morning feels nice.
Ooh, I like that word, feels. Not big emotion words, just it feels nice. Repeat, viewers, it feels nice.
Sometimes I say, I stay in my pajamas most of the day. I stay, not I stayed. That also happens on Christmas.
Very honest English. And honesty sounds more natural than perfect grammar. That's an important lesson for today. Don't sound perfect, sound real.
Food is a big part of Christmas talk. People often ask, "What did you eat?" Sarah, how do you answer that simply?
I say, we had a big dinner, or we cooked at home. Nothing fancy, just daily language.
Yes. You can also say, "We ate too much." That sentence is used everywhere.
Viewers, repeat, we ate too much. It sounds funny and very real.
Okay, we've talked about plans, mourning, and food. Next, we should talk about feelings on Christmas Day, because many people feel different things: happy, calm, lonely, thankful. Let's talk about how to say that in simple English.
Yes, that part is very important because feelings are hard to explain, but English can still be simple. Let's slow down and do that carefully. Ready, Ahmed?
All right, let's talk about feelings now, Sarah. Not everyone feels happy on Christmas. Some people feel calm, some feel quiet, some even feel lonely. How can we say that simply?
Yes, that's very true. We don't need big words like emotional or overwhelmed. We can say, I feel a bit quiet today, or I feel calm, just tired.
I like that. A bit quiet. Very soft sentence. Sometimes I also say, it feels a little heavy today. Not sad, just heavy.
That's very real English. Viewers, repeat gently, it feels a little heavy today. Say it slowly.
And if you feel good, simple is best. You can say, I feel grateful today. Or even shorter, I feel thankful.
Yes, many learners feel shy using words like thankful, but it's normal. Repeat after us. I feel thankful today.
Now stop for a second. Ask yourself, how do I feel today?
Choose one feeling only, not many words, just one simple sentence. Good, that's enough.
Another common topic is meeting people. Someone may ask you, who did you meet on Christmas?
You can answer simply, I met my relatives, or I met a few friends, or even, I didn't meet anyone.
Yes, that last sentence is important too. I didn't meet anyone. It's okay to say that. Life is not always busy.
Repeat together, viewers. I didn't meet anyone. No extra words.
Now let's talk about wishes. People often say long wishes like in movies, but in real life, we say short things.
Very short. Like, Merry Christmas or Hope you had a nice Christmas. Both are very common.
Yes, and if Christmas already passed, say, did you have a good Christmas? Not, how was your Christmas celebration? Too heavy.
Viewers, repeat. Did you have a good Christmas? That's enough. No pressure.
Now let's correct one small mistake. Some learners say, Happy Christmas Day. That sounds a little strange.
Yes. Natural is Merry Christmas or just Merry Christmas to you. Simple and friendly.
I sometimes said Happy Christmas. Actually, in British English, it's okay, but Merry Christmas is safer. So learners use that first.
Good clarification. Language changes by place, but beginners should choose easy, common forms.
Let's do a short role play. Sarah, I meet you after Christmas.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, Sarah, how was your Christmas?
It was quiet but nice. I stayed home with my family. And yours?
It was relaxed. We ate a lot and watched TV.
Yes. Viewers, practice this alone or with a friend. Short sentences, natural voice.
Take a breath here. Think about one sentence you liked today.
Maybe I'm spending Christmas with my family. Or it feels calm today. Say it again quietly.
People also talk about the day after Christmas. They say things like, everything feels slow today.
Yes. Or, I'm back to normal life. Very useful sentence. Repeat. I'm back to normal life.
Sometimes I say, I need some rest after Christmas. Actually, after Christmas, yes, correct.
Natural self-correction again. Viewers, it's okay to correct yourself while speaking. That is real conversation.
Okay, we've practiced talking about plans, food, feelings, wishes, and small talks. Next, we will help viewers build a full Christmas conversation from start to end. Step by step, very easy.
Yes, like a full flow from greeting someone to ending the conversation politely. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Let's continue.
All right, let's build a full conversation now. Not fast, not perfect, just how two people really talk on or after Christmas.
Yes. Think of a neighbor, a coworker, or a friend you meet. Nothing formal, just normal life.
The first line is very simple. You can say, "Hey, Merry Christmas."
Or after Christmas, hey, how was your Christmas? Both are friendly. Both are natural.
Notice, viewers, no stress. You don't need long greeting lines. Just one sentence is enough. That opens the talk.
Repeat softly, how was your Christmas? Good. Slow and easy.
Now the answer. People think they must explain a lot, but short answers sound better. Sarah, show a simple answer.
Okay. It was nice. I stayed home. Or, it was quiet this year.
Perfect. Very simple English. Very human. No story needed.
If you want to add one small thing, you can say, it was quiet, but good. That's enough.
Answer this in your head. How was your Christmas?
One sentence only. No pressure. Okay. Good.
Many learners forget this part. After answering, ask back.
Yes. Just say, and you? Small words, big impact.
Repeat, viewers. And you? This keeps conversation alive. Now, if you feel comfortable, add a feeling. Not always necessary, but very natural, like, it felt calm.
Or, I felt relaxed. I was a bit tired. Simple feelings.
Sometimes I say, I just needed rest. I just needed some rest. That correction is real speaking. Don't be afraid of small fixes. Let's do the full flow together. Listen first.
Okay.
Hey, Sarah, how was your Christmas?
It was quiet, but nice. I stayed home. And you?
It was relaxed. I spent time with family.
That's it. Not long. Not difficult.
Now your turn. Say the whole thing alone. Greeting, answer, ask back.
You can stop if you forget words. It's okay. Restart slowly.
One important thing, not everyone celebrates Christmas, and that's completely okay.
Yes, very important. If someone asks you about Christmas, you can say, I don't celebrate it, but I enjoyed the day.
That sentence is respectful and simple. Repeat, viewers. I don't celebrate it, but I enjoyed the day.
You can also say, it was just a normal day for me. Nothing wrong with that.
Ahmed, I want to say something honest. Many learners think their English is too weak to talk about festivals.
Yes, I hear that a lot. But today we showed you only need small sentences. That's enough.
Confidence doesn't come from big vocabulary. It comes from using small English many times.
Exactly. You don't need to impress. You just need to communicate.
After Christmas, people say things like, back to work tomorrow, or I need to recover from food.
Yes. Also, everything feels slow now. Very common sentence.
Repeat viewers. Everything feels slow now. Nice and easy. Quick self-check. Can you now answer these 3 questions?
1. How was your Christmas? 2. What did you do? 3. How did it feel?
If yes, you are doing great. If not yet, that's okay too. Practice again. All right, we are getting close to the end soon. Next, we'll slowly wrap this topic and help viewers remember what they learned. Just calm reflection. No rush.
Yes. And then a warm goodbye at the end. Stay with us.
Okay, let's slow down now. We covered many small things today. Not rules, real usage. Let's gently bring them together.
Yes, Christmas English is not about big words. It's about simple feelings and simple actions. That's real communication.
Think about today's lesson. You learned how to talk about plans, food, feelings, people, and polite wishes.
And all with short sentences. No pressure to speak fast. No pressure to sound perfect. Just clear English.
Now, one last gentle practice. In your head, or quietly out loud, say this.
My Christmas was... Add just one thing.
For example, my Christmas was calm. Or, my Christmas was quiet.
That's it. You don't need more. That is a complete sentence.
Ahmed, many learners feel English fear. They think, I know words, but I can't speak.
Yes, but speaking starts like this. 1 sentence, then 2, then confidence grows.
Mistakes are not enemies. Silence is not failure. Trying is success.
That's very true.
All right, friends. That brings us to the end of today's episode.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today. We hope talking about Christmas feels easier now.
So tell us in the comments, how was your Christmas? Write just 1 or 2 sentences.
That's your writing challenge for today. Don't copy. Write your own words.
If this podcast helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
And share this episode with someone who is learning English too.
Take care. Keep practicing and be kind to yourself.
We'll see you in the next English Conversation podcast. Bye for now.